Alright, hey guys, Captain Ron America for some of you guys that know me, or Cheech, basically my channel. We're doing a quick unboxing here from artist Alan Walker. Now, if for you guys out there knowing who John Walker is in the Winter Soldier series, you'll know that the two names are, we got another Walker making a shield just like he did in the series. Watch out for that spoiler warning though, if you haven't seen it. Anyways, what we're going to hear is my original shield, and I was going to set them side by side, you know, show you what another artist can do and give him props for what he did. And you guys know this is the old 12-pound shield with all the different metals, the aluminum going around here, the stainless steel, all the riveting and the guts inside of it. And it's been pretty decent. It's held up for this last several years, been rebuilt 3 times, and now we're going to see what another great artist is going to do, and secretly is going to be some kind of modification, and it's going to be a hybrid build based using what I'm going to get from this shield and putting my own hardening techniques to make the shield a lot stronger than what it is. Although it's 5 pounds aluminum plate, spun plate aluminum is what it's called. Alright, let's do this real quick. I know a lot of people like unboxing things, and well, some people get a kick out of it, but this ought to be good. And it's interesting, the box says Shield Shipper. They even make their own boxes now because of this dedication, I guess. Oh, a shout out to Captain Britain. I subscribed to your channel since you subscribed to mine. Maybe we'll do a collaboration with what Captain Britain brings to the table. That's a shout out to you Brit guys out there. Oh, let's see here. Well, they got this thing really closed up, don't they? Looks like it's pretty well boxed up. I opened it upside down, but that's the way it goes. Okay. Whoa. Squishy stuff. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That's the star. Actually looks really nice. You can see the the lines for the spun cast, or the spun plate. That's basically how it's created. That's pretty dope. Alright, let's see what else we got. Obviously this is probably the hardware, but we'll get to that for a second here. Oh, he gave me good instructions. He's given me a whole list of paperwork on how to do everything, the paint, the coating for the paint. Yeah, highly detailed. And he left his card, Alan Walker. Thanks again for his creation. Alright, let's see what this is looking like. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'd have to say that's a remarkable piece. The lines are really etched in there really well. And you can see how the machine has spun this part, because this will be on top of that. And it's going to be a nice effect. But there's that. Quick glance at the hardware. Let's see how that turns out. It's supposed to be some pretty legit leather. And I don't think it's disappointing. Let's see here. I'll just set that on there. basically it will be like so. The leather really looks nice. Real thick. 8 to 12 ounce saddle oak leather is supposed to be. Alright. I'll be assembling this and I'll come up with a follow-up video, and then we'll take it out into the field for, you know, for some shots out there. Thanks for checking out my unboxing. Make sure you check out my other content, like some of the Iron Man work that I have been going on for a while. This is the Mark II, so it's the full silver deal with its own heads-up display, well, basic camera recording. Alright, just make sure you check that out. That's some of my other videos that I have in my content. And I will see you guys again in the next video clip. Alright, ciao guys.